Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your DoorDash subscription, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select account from the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Manage Dash Pass. You'll see details about your current subscription. Click on End Subscription to begin the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Review any relevant information regarding your subscription's end date. If prompted, select a reason for your cancellation. After you confirm, your Dash Pass will be cancelled. You will receive a notification confirming the cancellation. If you prefer, you can also visit the DoorDash website. Log into your account on the website. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Manage Dash Pass from the drop-down menu. Follow the same steps to cancel your subscription online. Ensure you receive the confirmation email about your cancellation. Your subscription will end at the next billing cycle. Keep track of any pending orders or benefits before the cancellation takes effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.